Want to become a software engineer but don't know where to start? First Python, then Java. Some people say learn DSA first, others say start with web development. Then someone tells you to learn AI. Seriously? Who is right? What if I told you that there is one free website that tells you exactly what to learn, in what order, and what's actually important? Whether you want to become a front end developer, AI engineer, cybersecurity expert, DevOps engineer, or even a full stack developer, today I'm going to show you that website. And trust me, if you're a student or aspiring developer, you'll probably bookmark it before this video ends.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free courses. Internship updates, free courses, hackathon opportunities, career opportunities, and many more for both students and working professionals. So if you don't want to miss such opportunities, make sure to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell to never miss out on the latest update. And if you want this video in any other language, just click on this video. And if you want this video in any other language, what you can do is just click on settings. You can see audio track. Currently, the original language is English. You can hear. Hi everyone, welcome back. But if you want it in any other language like Telugu, Hindi, it is also.
नमस्ते दोस्तों मेरे चैनल पे आपका फिर से स्वागत
So in this way, you can just change language if you are not comfortable with English. And the website is none other than roadmap.sh. So what is roadmap.sh website? So this website is called as this is the website roadmap.sh. And honestly, I wish someone had shown me this when I started my tech journey. Instead of wasting hours wondering what should I learn next, this website gives you the clear direction and it's completely free and created by experienced developers from the community. Rather than just watching random YouTube videos, roadmap.sh gives you proper learning paths from beginner to advanced. So now look at this. There isn't just one roadmap. There are roadmaps for almost every tech career. If you want to become a front-end developer or back-end developer, full stack developer, Android developer, or DevOps engineer, or data analyst, AI engineer, AI and data scientist, cloud engineer, UIX designer, engineer manager, network engineer, technical writer, or any other. It's all available here. Whatever you want to become, the roadmap is clearly mentioned here. And they are regularly updated based on industry trends. And here you can find role based roadmaps, skill based roadmaps, and also you can find project ideas. If you want this website, you can go to browser and type roadmap.sh and you'll get this website. So first, create an account in this. Just click on sign up. You can continue with Google. Click on continue. So your account got created. You can check profile and here you can track how many topics completed, currently learning, with this streak. You can check your profile also. Friends, you can connect with friends. Now I'll pick a roadmap and show you how you can proceed with it. So I'm just going with front-end developer. So I'll start with front-end developer. So this is the roadmap. So here you can see become a front-end developer, you need to go through these all. You need to have a foundational knowledge on this. So first, you can just click on what is front-end developer, and here you'll get the context on this. Go through this, and then, and if you're a beginner, you don't have any idea what is front-end developer, and if you're beginner, like you don't have much knowledge on this, you can click visit beginner friendly version and here you'll get the trimmed version of that. So you'll get important tips. So if you're a beginner, you'll get this like basic info about that. First, you can learn this and you can go to detailed front end roadmap. And here you can find AI tutor. You can give your expertise in front end developer, your goal, how many hours per week you can commit for learning, and you can tell about yourself and start chatting with it. So it will personalize the way you learn and all. First, if you want to become a front end developer, you must know these concepts. What is internet, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, what is version control, VCS hosting, framework, AI assisted coding. So these are the things you need to know. So you can go topic by topic. The first one is internet. If you click on internet, you'll get the free resources. You can go through this And once completed, you can mark it as done. Then how does internet work? Go through these resources. Just go through these resources, and if once done, click on done. Or if you are in progress, click in progress and close it. Okay. Like that, you can go topic by topic and complete everything. And also, while preparing, you can take help of AI tutor here. Like if you have any questions or if you need any easy explanation, you can ask the AI tutor here. So to become a front-end developer, you need to know these concepts. And you can see your progress here also. And for project ideas, you can click here, beginner project ideas. So these will be projects. You can pick anything and start doing it, and everything will be tracked in this website, so you can check your progress, how far you gone. You can see your roadmaps here, you can see your activity here, and streak will be maintained. Okay, click on account, click on activity, you'll get this. You can track like how many topics completed, how many learning, and streak, and what you're learning. Okay, everything will be tracked here. Start your career as front-end developer, these would be enough. If you learn what are there here to become a front-end developer, it is enough. Beginner level front-end developer, it is enough. And if you want to continue your relevant path, if you want to along with front-end, if you want to go to full stack or back-end side or design system side, you can continue here. And here will be frequently asked questions. Is front-end developer a good career? And just go through these questions. Okay. So not only front end, you can learn any other. If you want to become backend developer or full stack developer, you also can find the roadmap. You just need to follow those consistently. You should maintain consistency. Like daily, you need to learn something. Then only you'll get succeeded and you can become what you want. So that's about today's video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, just let me know in the comment box. Will reply to everyone. And if you found this video helpful, please like, hype, and share this with your friends. It really motivates me to keep posting genuine updates for you. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.